Tool Machine Knowledge Module. Lab Parts. Spindle Speed Sector, Headstock Assembly, Feed Selector, Clutch, Chip Plan, Apron, Split, Nut, Longitudinal Transverse Feed Contact, Clutch, Feed Rod, Lead Screw, a bed, Hand Wheel, Tailstock Assembly, Tailstock Wheel, Dead Center, Ways, Carriage, Cross Slide, Compound Rest, Tool Post, Spindle. Crystal Structure, Straight Turning, Depth of Cut, Tool, Feed F, Taper Turning, Profile, Turning and External Grooving, Facing, Face Grooving, Cutting with Form Tool, Boring and Internal Grooving, Drilling, Cutting of, Threading, Milling, Workpiece. Fix Head, Spindle, Adjustable Head, Spindle, Chuck, Table, Base, Hand Wheel. Milling. What is slab milling? A milling process that uses the slab mill that rotates on an axis parallel to the workpiece. Slab milling produces flat surfaces. Arbor, cutter. Milling. What is face milling? A milling operation in which surface of the workpiece is perpendicular to the spindle axis. Face milling primarily is used to mill the top surface of the part. Spindle. Milling. What is end milling? A milling cutter that performs a mix of peripheral and face milling. End milling engages the bottom and edges of the milling cutter. Spindle, shank, end mill.